So welcome to another Outfits of the Week. It is the run-up to Christmas and yeah, it's definitely getting cold. So I didn't manage to record any sound here. So I'm wearing this thrifted blue scarf you've seen lots of times. The jumper is Zara, but I got that at a market. The beret is Monki. The skirt, it's like this velvet skirt, and I actually have a matching blazer, but that is thrifted, and then a vintage blouse on under. And I've been wearing these long boots lots at the moment, thrifted them a while back. And I'm starting this vlog at the weekend, so I was just out and about having a look around, saw some really nice bits like these kind of sparkly Christmas New Year's pieces. Yeah, just kind of a casual and easy weekend start to this vlog. Hey, so just on my way to the post office. The weather is beautiful today. It's freezing, but it looks so nice. Yeah. Show you my outfit. I'm just out today. She angle you down more this way. I think I showed you this shirt. It's from Zara. This is Asos. These are actually from Primark. My Asos shoes. Yeah, my outfit for today. It is Tuesday today. I'm just getting ready to head into the studio. I have on this jumper. I thrifted it a few days ago and I've worn it so much. It's actually just F&F. I think it's a brand that's in either like Tesco or I can't remember, but it's like, you know, when a supermarket has their own brand. So it's only like an acrylic jumper, but I really like it. And then I have on these checkerboard jeans. I got these, well, I thrifted them, but they're originally Stradivarious. Yeah, and then I have on these boots. They're Asos. Yeah, I think they're like dupes for Prada or something. Yeah, so that's my outfit for today. I'm gonna wear a hat as well. Let's see. Put on a hat as well. So that is today's outfit. I'm leaving now, and if I get a chance to show you my full outfit when I'm out, I will. Cool. Okay, just showing you my outfit now that I'm out. I added on this waistcoat. It's like fleecy. Got it actually on holidays in Venice. Yeah, thought it went. That is my look for today. Morning, it is Friday. Just about to leave to go into the studio. Well, actually I'm going to go to the print studio maybe first. But yeah, this is my outfit for today. I have on this knitted jumper. I thrifted it a while ago. I think it's hand knit. There's no tag or anything on it. And it feels like it's acrylic, but it's still lovely. Yeah, so kind of a bit of a more basic outfit. I have on these trousers I think I've shown you before. The brand is called Clips. And I looked them up and they're quite expensive. So I think they're really warm, really good quality. The boots I have on, you've seen before. They're my Asos kind of Prada dupes. I've been wearing this little navy beanie quite a lot lately, just to keep me warm. Yeah, and then I think I'm gonna also have this bag for today. Probably showed you this before. I wore it loads over the summer. A bag I thrifted. It's vintage, and then I've added like all my key rings. Whenever I visit somewhere, I kind of buy a key ring. Yeah. So I think that is my outfit for today, and I'm gonna head in. If I find somewhere to show you my outfit while I'm out, I will. Also, I will show you. I think I showed you my wardrobe here in a different video, but I actually hung up all my jumpers. I know knitwear is probably better folded just because it doesn't warp or stretch it, but it was just getting to look like a pile down here, so I hung up all the ones that are kind of shorter up here, and then they're the longer ones there, and then I put all my long skirts here, so it's a little bit neater. I still have some folded jumpers down there too, but it does make it a little bit easier to kind of see what I have. Yeah, so I'm going to keep it like that for now. Just out, it's really sunny, it's beautiful, freezing day, but nice and sunny, which is kind of all that matters really. Trying to find somewhere to show you my outfit. I've already explained where everything is from. Yeah, that's my outfit for today. So I'm finishing this vlog at the weekend again. Had a nice coffee, and I also got my nails done, which is not something I usually do, but at Christmas it's nice to get that done. And then I just had a look through some of the charity shops, saw some amazing knitwear. This one in particular was so cool. The brand is YMC, and then I just tried a few things on. So I had this faux fur jacket that I thrifted a while ago, and then this is the outfit that I was actually wearing, the same trousers I showed you the other day, and this vintage kind of peach salmon coloured blouse, and some thrifted necklaces that I've added some details to. And then I tried on this tall leopard print top. It's originally from River Island. And yeah, I really liked how that looked, and I also imagined styling it with maybe another kind of sheer top underneath too. But yeah, I really like that, and I got that piece. So that is going to be it for this week's outfit of the week. I'll have another one out soon. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.